Mwanjwa omurigereria o Radio Vuna 102.0 FM margo bende ya bene kirage ngukwanya na kukwarigania ase hamangana maya senchera yobo ikirano itokorya lentera eyamase yemo rerere chitariki 14 chomutinye 11 omwaka igabukiri 2025 negendere gwatwereri tukolisere tuguchunyara kubo kumanya era aine kigwe kurwa sechinsemo aimena isiko ya gusi njego kondukanya cha Brian maiga yeche kamera ga kurunga Geoffrey Ngongo kwa kinga chibicha amona Mario gyago cheira senchera ensera na niko toko chakana mangana yualengete igoro yebi na byabana bwase omwalimu na wego mubwatani bwe committee ye koti gose koti users committee mwalimu maticha bero kabaga ko boli bagusi kulige chinchera chindonge choko nyora abana ane bali batari konyora ko bakonyora abana likali okubona lichiko migata biranga matuka bwankoiga obone bwa abana bwararekandira komenta kana soro gongoro gusi asagandira abantu kumanyanga kilichiko ligotebekeroganetie omwana niko boiga boliri abantu kwerenda kurwa ko bagosera abana anene kebirenge lyo chinga kimune chiga balenkase erusa roboti ruwa senchira yoboikerano.
I work with the Directorate of Children's Services. We are here today to advocate for the Judiciary Children's Service Month. This is a month where we first track the cases of children who are in the service system, who have been involved in different natures of legal issues, where we advise, we assist the judiciary to be able to accomplish and complete their cases in time. So this is a month that has been set aside by the judiciary that we may come together as service provider, the Directorate of Children's Services to be able to assist the judiciary in dispensing its justice to the children of our country. In Kisii County, we always come together every November of every year to be able to sit, and of course we are members of the children committees in the court users committees, and we participate well to make sure that all the children are taken through in the service system and that they do not overstay in the service system while they look forward to getting and receiving the services that they need in the judicial service system. We have also noted a few issues on child protection, upcoming issues like child trafficking, and we are looking at creating sensitization to our community to make sure that they are able to know the alternative ways of acquiring children instead of going the local way of actually getting children the wrong way. So we are sensitizing the general public that they should be able to explore through the Directorate of Children's Service, that they can get children through adoption, they can get children through foster care, they can also be able to take guardianship in order to acquire the parental rights to be able to have children for those parents who do not have children. We also urge the general public to always come forward to report issues of children so that we are able to help our children, especially on issues to do with emotional abuse, where children are being abused by family members and they are not able to report just because they know that these people who are perpetrating them are in a position of authority, and for that reason they have fear that they might not be assisted or they might not get the justice that they seek in the society. Joseph abana Directorate ya Children Services ewatenchera abana baraewa somo ntozo tabwati none n'abayigori bali babata abana batanike korenda ewatenchera bagocha basaba twabaeti injira ya eligo bakwenda through the high court baewa abana inaligo we bikabakoira abana injira eligo ande akarato ekere ikikoria manyire yanyalikana nande bachi gosoewa samakosai no tokorangeria abayigori bali babwatenche yakora kurenda abana baike kutumye tinjira kirikiro roje serikali yoko babana ebinde babarende isinjiterere batebinga omwana tabasakoye tugutigara amang'ana ayo arengeta abana nigo omobisa kurwa service yogo abaswahili ya serikali gose Office of Director of Public Prosecutions Dr. Victorine nigo nera bero ko bakago kwandrengana se oversight igoro yabali bakunyara ko bakubatakira abana insebo kunyara ko bogo saliwa ukwana baliki amang'ana Dr. Victorine nigatebirenga aise ko bango oversight bwanyara ko bogo saliwa murobeli noro aseli chiko muntaranyara ko bagakobwati anenalio anenolio soete kina elimbe ko ene kinga obwene bwanyara ko bogo toka roboti urwa senchera yoboime
children and the justice system, criminal justice system. So, as to the issue of interference with cases, unless we find the specific files that have been interfered, then we have the legal process by which we can undertake and hold the culprits accountable. However, before even that happens, we have some measures that if we are brought to our attention, we can try to stop that kind of interference. For instance, we can issues of cancellation of bond, we can raise it in the courts. Issues of protecting the minors by having them in proper homes to avoid interference. We also do have counseling even at the court for such victims. So it is in order for children who are exposed, whether it is in conflict or whether it is in contact with the law, to come to court for such services.
Gumuna chibina sekegambero kimwe chokisi Honorable Bernard Mwansa abolira bubwatani bonse kurwa sensemu yokwegerera obwene bw'omwonya bantu gochama elinde kwenekinga omwana ngunyarira ko bakakoegwa obwene bwaye okwana nabaliki amang'ana amayiya kurwase omwechobo songo Honorable Omwanza nigatebirenge koti nigo yerwete kwenekinga abana banyorera obwene nakinda kinde gyonse gikunyara ko bagekulikibwa nigo kiranyara ko bagekugambwa senchera y'obwango na obwene kunyara ko ba yokurwe woni go boiga boliringa ngenero abayo kunyara ko bagosemibwa enjira yoko balera abana babo n'abana banyara ko bakomanyibwa ngemeremo yabo nereliye gosasa umuno wekenya muriro responsibilities cyabo njire cyo roboti ruwa senchera y'ubwikirano.
You find that there is no agency which can work alone and come out with the very best results. So we are all failing because not that we are unable to do that which is supposed to be done, but because there is that link or collaboration. And that is the very thing that we have come here to sensitize ourselves and to talk amongst ourselves that each department will take it up. And as in respect of the children and that much urgency, we start, by the way, from the teachers who may realize or who may notice something else and report it to the police. And then that means we have also the police as part and parcel of the stakeholders regarding the rights or securing the rights of the children. Then we have the children department, which also takes or brings forth that which is happening. And then we have also the ODPP. They are just there purposely to bring cases to courts. And that brings us again to this stakeholder, the judiciary. And the judiciary, they are just there. In judiciary, we have the children courts. And once those matters are reported to court, we take them up. And the ideal situation as on how these matters are to be dealt with, it is that they are to be dealt with expeditiously and within 6 months all these matters are supposed to be concluded. But unfortunately we do not manage to comply with the imperatives of the law, the imperatives of the Constitution, given that there are so many cases in our courts and we have few judicial officers and few judges. It is a reason then as to why we have the backlogs. But the ideal situation is that these matters are to be concluded within that period. If that is done, or if that is to be attained, then all these multi-agents, stakeholders or participants, they need to come together and they move these matters with speed. If they are done, from one end they are handed over to another end, and then they pick like that, and at the end of the day, justice is given. Besides this, that we do in the court or these other levels, we also trying to tell ourselves that we need to go out there, sensitize the public, and let the public also know that what they should do and how also they should handle the kids. This does not negate the fact that the kids also have the rights and responsibilities to execute a child. In that matter, it means that she or he has to take care of the family. In other words, he has to make sure that there is peace in the family. At the same time, to see to it, it is our responsibility or his responsibility to go to school, study hard, work hard, and at the end of the day, come out of that institution with great. Besides that also, at the family level, this is to say that the kids also need to wash the dishes. It needs not to be taken that is labor. But there are other things, and we were equally reminding ourselves of various legal framework which is being used in the country for the best interest of the child. And that is the bottom line, the best interest of the child. Wherever you are and whatever you do, in matters kids, take the best interest of the child. Respect of the children.
Murigirani nyegene tengano gendrete kuimanya na kwegokia na mangana ya mayabna ariganiri kurwa semesa ito ya mangana maya nabona nigongo kwire mase eward ya Kyogoro ase constituency ya Nyaribari chache asensemo yabamenye kurwa se eward yibabereko bakomubori mu bunge we constituency yo Zaire Chanda kwene kingo babwatani yali ne chinguru cyo modoro ilinde korenta magendera sensemeyo okwane masemo na Radio Vuna amenyabo nigo batebire ngayire kegetambe bataranya ko bakubwatani wone stima nonya bagoke irensemo yo bokoreri wo mujumbo yo ase kolinde bagandira nyara ko bagakwene kingo burabu kwikabura senseme ilinde go keya okeya amangana yo bosalia nabo kwene kinga abantu ngomanya barase omulembe batabwati obwoba kubwatakana nebikole byo bosalia sengencho iyo musunte musakito Joseph Nyagaka natwariganirite roboti orwa
Mogeti yabamenyi kurwase bunge ya Nyaribari chachi yegutoka imenye county ya Kisii hane nake kurwase ward ya Kyogoro hesaburokese ni yaboronyi ekenyorukia bigogo nigo bono banyarreko baweso kinako moto yumu bunge wensemeyo Sahiri Janda asemire mimi ya nyarreko bakao kora chinsemo ao ase bunge ya Nyaribari chachi
emera bayro ko de menga sana kiparantro jinagenda ta kuigora chinso ko gotomara abantu magarata ko begerwa amaje bagonye cyanda maende rombu yoko koro wakore chinse chinde kwa bayigorere kipara kwa bayigorere kwa begere chistima.
Sahiri Janda, you are the MP of Nyaribari Chache. Your people here are ready to fight for you for the next term. One term is not enough for you. We are ready for you and we welcome you.
Abangina baito mai bakwa ntumna njena kani moruyo ndacho kwanda sukuyo machera kini aka
na magoro igo to isibya magoro to iguboro na magoro cyane to mwanje te pinande to komnyaka paka kasa to iguna cyane no to komnyaka na magoro pako
na ena boni go bamubolire mirobeli emiyabegete yo kubabekera estima senseme yuhanyale ko bagakwimukige getambukiro gyo kuyango ya sobwango eliko nyara ko bakonyora oburabu
estima yo gato gase ine to mwanje te pi gato estima to jomura nandu mwako nento malengerere
Ntwana korra stima pinyoro binde bibeke ire bitoncho kana ine bibeke ire stima krasi
ngorigereria binyoro gwete stime yogete lakini kogo chwikaga na seito ne bisunte bioka wakorera sana ntu tombe tingie kebi
batubone kire bana igetogosekera ruguru mwino nga mugatigo mweshimiwa onka mugachukwa
baba ka baukoire batanya korona ni stima ga utageta bangina baba kubagenderira bataro stima yako
bona gongo kubano iganta na korora sitima nga yabantu bagoja konjora kurunya anga gorelwe nswe na beke busikia ngurete kurwa masa igoro sentarochi aye tata ngonye ndaragenda nse ngonye bwango ngonye na njendore sitima yao
kurende ni gobono
batereri ne bisukari na mabuta
togo chigoche bisunde kurwari asogo turangeri gochi twam gocha imetwa urerunjera okaba stimeta ye komoreko monto gotora bana benga basantanya kuri mochero lakini ngotore
togo na mochero gotwa oyitekera gesi ndo ikonya kuyikera nya abana boga abantu bwate basini ni biko tosi ko babekera nya rabera kera bako wanga bagonya barumiro brangeti
yinku report rigeta sinikia radio Vuna na Vuna TV kroiga sensemo ya Boronyi yegotoke meye wodi ya Kyogoro Nyaribari Chache county ya Kisii inchencho sevunyagaka
ngino yiweke busiki aliensu yae mujumbe na chanya rekobaga ko mugorera elinda nyarekobaga go ita obote togo suka bosini go tokumurikira obolendia sechipara sabu bisakura sekyombekeli kyobolendia sechipara NTSA babere ko baba ko bolia bana inche ko ba maiso anene chinga kichiga chemega yogokoro mwaka ase obotumeke bwabo bwechipara niko babo lirane nabo onchirele bali bako base chipara mbara bali bana bona se chiro ya daraja 2 likalio korobonye bwabo mbarabale ne para banyarako bagoswa se chiroime indo gwetanga korwase emebasokano ye chipara asabo ko babere ko babako ya togi serikali ye county na gotabang bagendere to kubwatana na buyamo na serikali nene ko ene kinganku igora bale chipara elinde go keani emebasokano ye chipara roboto rusenchira yoboikirano.
Nimekuwa hapa kwa shughuli ya uhamasisho kwa wananchi haswa kuhusu mambo ya usalama barabarani. Siku ya Jumapili tutakuwa na uhamasisho bado, tutakuwa pamoja na washikadau tofauti. Tuko na shughuli ambapo inakuja kila mwaka mwezi wa Novemba, Sunday ya mwisho ambapo tunaita World Day of Remembrance for Road Traffic Victims.
Kuhakikisha ya kwamba barabara zetu wakati zinaanza kutumika kuna hiyo mambo ya safety. Kwanza kabisa tunahakikisha ya kwamba kuna mambo ya road marking, kuna zile signs ambazo zinaonyesha ya kwamba dereva akifika hapa labda atumie kama 50 km/h ile speed, aende 30 km/h, akifika town anapunguza mwendo.
Shughuli ya leo ya kuhamasisha wananchi juu ya usalama barabarani ni kazi ambayo imefanywa vema na tukishirikiana nao. Pia kutoka kwa county government tunawahamasisha wananchi kwamba ni vema kuwa waangalifu barabarani, na serikali ya county government chini ya Mheshimiwa Governor Simba Arati inajaribu kupanua barabara kushirikiana na national government, kera za ndani na masoko kama daraja 2 ambapo wananchi saa zingine wanakuwa kwa barabara. Tunahamasisha kwamba tuingie kwa soko ambayo imejengwa kwa ajili ya biashara kama hiyo.
Adenado
murikira ekiama kia ODM abwasabara ikurwa sekiamekyo obarase homoyega bogo chengire myaka 20 yokoba ogwekiamekyo kyo ODM kurwa gechakigwa babere ko babago tebangani go bawo kwene kiamekyo ngotendera kire kiabere ko bagetendere tasi myaka yonsi yetire eyure demokrasia na bwo kwegerera obwene bwo mwananchi igati ya baraibe kiamekyo babere ko babago kwana ngamo nomo governor gwe county ya Kisii oyibo igoro mo deputy party leader Simba Arati naboigo omwana oye Raila Amolo Odinga Winnie Odinga igati ya baraibanda ubate birenga kiama kyo ODM giliko chonyera kwa bageko tene naigo na nigo kira chonyera kwa bageko ene kingango gendera kire ko mwegero mwananchi muri kyo manene bwe kiama kyo Edwin Sifuna uyibo igoro mo senator bwe county ya Nairobi nigate birenga mbaliko chonyera kwa bako ligerelia maega ko nigo baraine kinga babwatire chimbaratero chomoga Raila Amolo Odinga.
ODM gechakigwa nigokoreka imeye kaunti ya Mombasa hukwanekirikio barai au bekiame kyo bakorono murikyobo Edwin Sifuna nigo baruko bori gochasa babwatani bekiama gia ODM kobwata chimbaratero chuyo kabero murai bekiame kyo Raila Odinga.
ODM was born from protest. It was raised in resistance. And the people of ODM have time and time again bled, sweat, and shed tears for this country called Kenya. We are sorry that we don't always get it right. Oleni. But we will never be sorry for being inconvenient.
Lakini sisi ambao tunajiita vijana wako na wanafunzi wako, tutazidi kusukuma sera za chama cha ODM. Vile dada yangu Winnie amesema hapa, lazima tukumbuke hizi rangi tukivaa, hizi rangi zina maana fulani. Watu wakiona ODM wanafikiria nini? Sisi ndio chama cha kupigania haki, sisi ndio chama cha kusimamia ukweli, sisi ndio chama cha wananchi, na hatuwezi kubanduka katika hizo nafasi tatu. Mtu asikudanganye bwana.
Nigo boigo bamuchia bari bakugikirie kiamekyo bunonde tayo oratenene kurwara raso kurigikirgo kyoborai bwense. Nero Deputy Party Leader Iguru Governor we County ya Kisii Paul Sembarati nigaene kebunati baguchigutiga kiameki kogwa chingaki boigo harukoboria ucha sabasae kubwatirana haso gotenene kiamekyo.
Kila mmoja wenu SD wangu, hakuna vile tutawacha kiti hiki cha chama chetu kiende chini. Vijana wengi wamesema tafadhali msiuzwe. Don't be bought. Hatuwezi nunuliwa kivyo vyote vile. Vijana, hakuna lingine ambalo taelezekana kabla sisi hatujashikana. Mimi nawaomba, kama ni jera tutaenda pamoja. Kama ni tiaga tena itakuja, tutakula pamoja. Kama ni mapambano, tutapambana pamoja. Haki ya kila Mkenya lazima italindwa.
Ginko reporter ya Vuna TV nchi Margaret Mukua.
Toroboti urugoro yemerobeli yuko chengire myaka 20 yobokoreribwe kiama kya ODM kurwaria se county ya Mombasa no tukunyara ko batukukira omweli asemangana mayibuna tukunyari gendire kurwa semese ito yamangana maya ekero ngobere ngambia muno bonsi banyara ko babakunyarigania maiga yechi kamera igari nge Geoffrey Ngongo ekera maiga yemesa yamangana maya kubachera amenye bensemo ya kamera e county ya Nyamiro batukubya nchego konduka Nyachae Brian.